So in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create pricing for a parent product on various price lists. We've already created our price lists, which we can see. What we want to do is we want to add this specific product to the test price list here, which is a sales price list, and GBP, a British pound price list. So we'll navigate to our product. I've just created a test one for the purposes of this. We navigate to the pricing tag. We're going to use the quick create here, which is this button here. We've got our product here. We've got the currency code associated with this, and that our default currency code, but effectively we're going to add it to the BH test one. We're going to ignore this add variance from products. This is only used if you want to use the parent product to create pricing for any variance that it may have. We can give it a cost and a price, and effectively we're just adding the product here. So you can start to see, we've got the price. It's on the sales price. It's a sales price list, and it's on this specific price list as well. Now, if I want to add tiers to this, because I'm using tiers, then I just edit the product, and I just click this add price tier unit, and I can just add my prices as price tiers. So we'll just do 1, we'll do 5, and we'll do 10 in this exercise. So, and then we'll just do 6 there. So you can see, we've added quite simply our price tiers. Now these are ready to be used on portals, imported, exported to different channels, your e-commerce platforms and whatever. So the process we just went through is we selected our product, we used the quick create, we selected our price list, we entered our details. We didn't want to use price tiers in this instance. We added those tiers, and then we saved, and now the product's set up ready for use on the price list. Just a quick double check back on. Don't check that if you don't have variance. Don't need to. That's only for variance. If you use it, you need to check it if you're going to use this method. So that's how you do it.